Hi there. Hi everyone. Good morning. Yes, good morning to all. Um, in today's newspaper of Friday, yes, last no the last day, yeah, of the month. Friday, March the 31st, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. The first one I've already solved, the Sudoku Light. And we have here the regular Sudoku Heavy. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. I won't do them all. 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve in the evening. Not now. And what's the news of today? Well, I've heard that former President Trump will be arrested. Yeah, I believe on Tuesday, next coming Tuesday. Yeah, why? Well, um, I believe he paid the porn star Stormy. Well, don't know the full name, but it's not. It's illegal because he was a president, and yeah. Let's continue. Let's continue with the puzzle. The puzzle number 6204. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 2 less than the previous Sudoku. 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for a puzzle with 25 printed digits, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 3 stars puzzle. For the 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. 20 to 30 minutes. We will see if this is really a heavy puzzle. Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. Alright. We have here 3 twos, 2 threes, 4 fours, 5 fours. Well. 1, 2 fives, 2 sixes, 3 6, 4 sixes. Wow. 1 7, 1 8, and 2 9. So the 1, the 4s, and the 6s are in majority. Can I start with the 4? Let me scan 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright, 4 cannot continue with the 4. I need to wait. How about the 6 then? 6. Let me check. 6. No. 6. Will be difficult, but we have a pair, the 4 and a 6 in this row. 4 and a 6 in the row below. So last row, only 3 places left for the 4 and a 6 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. And look, we have 4 and a 6 in the last column, so no 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Alright. 7. Okay. And now, let me see. Yeah. 8. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Shoot me there. 7, 5, okay. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 6. Shoot me there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for them is the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 8, 8. Okay. 5, 7. Then. 1, 1. Okay. Yeah. 2, 2. Oh, look, 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is number 2 in the middle row. The number 2. Here can be a 2 because we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. Here can be a 2 because we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 in the middle row should be there. For the 2, yes. 5 and a 7, 5. No, 5 and the, yeah. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row be 3 in the middle row. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left now in the middle row for the 1, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in this row, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2, 2, alright. 4, 4, alright. 1, 1, nope. No. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this third column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this second column, so no 1 in that box. Here 1 in the last row, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in the last column should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We see a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this big square should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1. Okay. Alright. 2, no. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7, okay. 7. 7. Oh, wait. 7, 1. 7. Yeah. 9. Then I'm thinking 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 and a 6, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Can I count? And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Wait. Okay. 6, 6. We have a pair. No. Not a pair. No. Not a pair. 6, 5. No. 7. 9, 2. Need a 3 here. 8, 8. Need a 8. Oh, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this second row. So no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes in the first row. 8 in the second row. So the third row, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in the third column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this third column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in this row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. Alright. 6, 6. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 3, 3. 3, 3. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so first row, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So the third row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. Well, I think the 3 should be there, because in this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in this column should be a 3. These two boxes can be a 3, because we have 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there then. Here or there. We see another 3 in one of those two boxes in the second row, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the last row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above, so in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the second column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And, oh, no, cannot, well, I've marked those two boxes earlier with 3. We have a 3 already in this column, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. Now I can count. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. And look, we have 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes and there. 5 in this column. 5 in the last column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 8 and 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2, the 5, 2, and the 5. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square anonymous, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Here we have also a pair in this big square. Missing. The missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. Let me mark those again. One box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Oh, we have a 5 here. So it's not the 5. Should the 6, the 7, the 8 should be the 9. Yeah, 9, 9, 9. Correct. Two missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 or 9, 8 or 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. One box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Yeah. Two missing numbers, the 7 and the 5. 7 and the 5 are missing. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. One number left in this big square for number 5. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. How about one box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 and the 6, we have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 to 5, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. One box left in the middle column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing. Yeah, the 5. Yeah. Two missing numbers now in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final two numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9, 9, 9. Correct. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, told you I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve a 3 stars puzzle. Not a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Thank you again for watching. Yeah, apologies. The tripod has been moved. Well, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Friday.